In today's video, I'll show you how to use Adobe Sign online to get documents signed quickly and securely without any hassle. First, open your browser, Chrome, Safari or whichever you use, and head to Adobe Sign through the official Adobe website. Log in with your Adobe account or create one if you're new. Next, upload the document you need signed. Adobe supports PDFs, Word files, and more. Then, enter the email addresses of the people who need to sign. Make sure they're correct because Adobe will send invitations directly to those emails before sending. Drag and drop form fields like signatures, initials, or dates onto the document. You can also mark them as required so your recipients know exactly what's needed. Once everything looks good, hit send. Each person will get an email with a secure link to sign the document. No Adobe account required, making the process super simple. If you're finding this guide helpful so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick tutorials. And that's it. Your document is now out for e-signatures with Adobe Sign Online. Fast, secure, and paperless. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.